Of course, you can check out more of his music on YouTube. Now it's time for the Intense 5. Let's go. 83 more days in a Dutch jail for Jacure. He'll return in front of the judge in January to find out his fate.
Facebook changes its name to Meta.
I am proud to announce that starting today, our company is now Meta.
And the memes have started. People that have nothing for do.
Not at it. Alkaline has submitted his sophomore album, Top Prize, for a Grammy consideration. Fingers crossed, we'll find out by November 5.
In this week's episode of Jamaica is Not a Real Place, Kevin Smith. And what should be a Netflix series, right? Days after being arrested, he dies in a car crash while being transported to Kingston. Of course, in true Jamaican style, everybody is waiting on more drama. Our condolences, though, go out to the family of the officer who died as well.
Definitely. And finally, holding the #1 spot this week, Netflix episode 2. He got people to change their insurance policies and list him as beneficiary. Don't even understand that. Like, I'm scared to ask what next. But hey, as they say, Jamaica ever keep. Stay tuned, all right? That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense.